Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Couture TV with Stephanie. We're on episode 16 and today's all about cardstock. Now, not all cardstock is created equally. We'll dive into the science behind great cardstock and why Couture Creations cardstock is ideal and it really stands out. Plus, check out our range of 104 stunning colors we have on offer. Let's get started. Can you believe we have 104 colors to choose from? That's right, 104 fabulous colors. So what makes Couture Creations cardstock stand out from the rest? Well, there are four key features. The first one being the size. It is 12 by 12 inches. So this is perfect for a variety of craft projects. It fits in your large guillotine, it fits in your paper trimmer. It's the perfect ideal size. Number two, it is acid free. This ensures long-lasting, fade-resistant creations, safe for archival use. Three, dual texture. Let me show you. We have texture on one side for added dimension and smooth on the other side for seamless stamping and printing. So the fourth key feature is our cardstock is cord dyed. What does that mean? Let me explain to you a little bit of science here. So some cardstock, when you rip it open, it's actually white on the inside because it is white cardstock and then it's dyed on the outside. Whereas Couture Creation, our cardstock, if you rip it open, it is the same color on the inside as it is on the outside because it is dyed with the pulp. So that is the difference between a good quality cardstock and a different cardstock. So that is the science behind our cardstock. Now let's get a little bit creative with it now. Now let's move this aside and let's get creative. I'm going to get my large guillotine over here. And I'm just going to cut some cardstock. I'm going to put three colors in at the same time to save time. That's what I love about the guillotine. I think that's big enough. Move that aside. I only need a strip of each. I'm just going to bring over my scoring board and I'm going to give these a little score. So I don't want to go halfway in. I just want to fold in a little section like that over. And just use my bone fold to straighten that out. Now, if this was the cardstock that had white in it, when you use a bone fold, you sometimes see the white through the edges because it actually cracks. You won't get that with our cardstock. Do the other two like that. And the other one. About there. Okay, move that aside and I'll just give this a fold over. I'm loving the blues we have here at Couture Creation. They are gorgeous. Did I mention that we have 104 colors to choose from as well? I'm sure I did, but that's just amazing, the variety we have. Okay. So if you haven't guessed already, I'm making an iris card. I'm going to show you how easy that is. So what I'm going to do is get my workstation ready. Put these aside. Now all you need to do is Google iris fold and get a shape off the internet and then print it off. And then what you do is get your card, stock, put your heart down, trace it around and cut it out. And then we have this. So this fits perfectly in my card. And all I'm going to do is hold it down with my magnet. And I'm going to use these to make my card. So all I'm going to do is cut out pieces of my cardstock. So all I'm going to do now is where it's folded, I want this to be on the inside because that's the part that's going to show. So we want the yucky part going up because that'll be the back. So I'm just going to cover, see if it's enough. It's a bit too much. I'm going to cut a bit off there. Just cover that part there and just tape it down. Now, don't let the tape come on this side because you will see it. We don't want to see the tape. We want to see the beautiful cardstock. And then I'm going to go in with my next blue. I'm going to cover this part here. So I'm just trying to measure it out to see if it covers. And it does. Tape it down. And then we'll move over to this part here with my next color. It's a bit thick, so I'm going to cut it down a bit. Just like that. A little bit of tape to hold it in place. And up there. Another piece. It's hanging out a little bit. So I'm going to trim that off. There we go. And the same color on this side. Go across that. Then my dark blue. Big area there, so cut a big piece. Secure it on either end. And go in with my light blue again. Down here and up here again, my medium blue. Now you can use any colors you like. I just thought I'd do a blue theme today. You can do rainbow, you can do all pinks, all different kinds of purples. You can get really creative with this. One more light blue. And I only had to use one strip of each color. Doesn't take up much cardstock. This is good to use up all your scraps as well. One here. One there. And the dark blue. Now the middle is called the iris. So we don't use cardstock in the middle. We use something fancy. And I like to use our gorgeous glitter cardstock. And I thought the Lagoon Blue would be perfect to match this up. So all I need to do is get a little piece, turn it around, and stick that down. Now I'm just going to go over and tape a little bit I'm going to go around and tape the cardstock down just to secure it. Keep the edges nice and neat. Now let's move this out of the way. Okay, ready for the reveal. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see the blue lagoon in the middle, the glitter? It's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so you can do any shape with that. Let's put that aside. This is my card I'm using, and I'm going to do a background of glitter, and then I'm going to pop this on top, and I'm going to use my adhesive tape. This is my favorite. You must know that by now. I love using tape. It is already cut up in sizes for me. Easy to use. Just put it everywhere evenly. Just like that. A few more. What's everyone's best adhesive tape to use from Couture Creation? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see if mine is the most popular one, because this is the most versatile for me. But let me know what you guys like and what you use, or what you'll use for this project, and I'll have a go next time. I'll just peel all these back. They're so easy to use and peel. What, we've got two more. Oh no, one more here. Okay. Now, I'm just going to eyeball this. Get it as even as I can. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same with this, the glitter cardstock. Need more of these. Do you know this is one of our best sellers? So maybe I am right with the adhesive. Okay. Just put all these back. These are really easy, quick crafts you can do with kids. You can do this for themes like Christmas, do Christmas trees, any shape for birthdays, anything. They're very, it's a clever idea, iris cards. Oh, all done. Okay. And I'm going to eyeball this as well. Okay, that's gorgeous. I'm happy with that, but we're not done yet. Now what I'm going to do is just hole punch some hearts out. Oops. Two of each color. There we go. And I'm just going to glue them with my all-purpose art glue. Take out the pin. Yep. And remember, we got a smooth side and a textured side. I want the textured side to be facing upwards. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. Put my heart down here. So pretty. My dark blue. Another light blue. I'm going to go at the top now. You can make a matching envelope to match the card, so you can use any of these blues. They'll look stunning. And one more. Now, the reason why I'm using the all-purpose art glue, because if I get any glue out, it doesn't matter. It dries clear and it dries really fast. That's why I like using this glue. And I'm going to pop my pin back in so it doesn't dry up. Okay, there you have it. That is my iris fold heart-shaped card. And I can write anything I like in there. And that is just stunning and pretty. And that did not take long to make at all. So I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you try using our cardstock because it is gorgeous. And did I mention, we have 104 colors to choose from. And don't forget our glitter cardstock. We've got a beautiful range of colors to match any card you're working on. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you back here next week. Bye.